I will explain about the IFNA. So first I will solve this question using VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, I have to find the price of product P103. So lookup value is P103, table array, column number 3 which is price, and exact match. Yeah, so 2000. Yeah, so it's 2000 for P103. Now try to get the price of a non-existent product ID P999 and handle the error using IFNA by displaying product not found instead of any. So I will write just FN and then VLOOKUP. Lookup value is P999, table array, and then column number 3 for the price, then exact match. Then if it's not found, then write product not found. If I do not write product not found, like if I do not use IFNA, then this N should be displayed. Yeah, so product not found.